While Tesla doesn't officially offer a ring key as of late 2025, this video explores how you can use ring-shaped accessories to access your Tesla. These rings, often utilizing NFC technology, mimic the functionality of the Tesla keycard, allowing for keyless entry and operation. We'll cover how these third-party integrations work and what you need to get started. Tesla primarily uses three types of keys for vehicle access: phone keys through the Tesla app, key cards, which are physical NFC cards, and key fobs, which are traditional remotes. Phone keys utilize Bluetooth and ultra-wideband technology for secure, precise unlocking. The app connects to your vehicle within a specific range, allowing hands-free access and control. Key cards use near-field communication, or NFC, technology. This is the system that compatible rings can replicate, allowing them to function as a physical key card for unlocking and other vehicle functions. Key fobs are physical remotes with buttons for traditional key functions like locking, unlocking, and opening the trunk. They provide a backup option and work through radio frequency. Understanding how these key systems work is crucial for successfully setting up an NFC ring as a replacement for a key card, providing the same secure access to your Tesla vehicle. Not all rings are created equal. You'll need a ring with an embedded NFC chip that operates on the correct frequency to communicate with your Tesla. Research compatible rings from reputable third-party manufacturers. Look for rings specifically advertised as Tesla key rings or those that can emulate NFC key cards. Prices typically range from $30 to $100 plus, depending on the brand and features. Programming your NFC ring as a Tesla key card is straightforward. Start by opening the Tesla app on your smartphone. Next, navigate to the Vehicle Access section in the app menu. Select the Add Key option from the available choices. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the app. Present the ring to the card reader located on the B pillar of your Tesla vehicle. Finally, give the key a descriptive name within the app, such as NFC Ring Key, to help you identify it easily. Once your ring is added as a key, you can customize its actions. The primary function is unlocking the doors, which happens automatically when you approach the vehicle. Some rings, in combination with the Tesla app or third-party integrations, allow control of additional vehicle functions. Always check the ring's documentation and the Tesla app for the specific customization options available for your setup. Security is paramount when using a Tesla ring key. While NFC technology provides secure short-range communication, it's important to follow best practices to protect your vehicle access. NFC is generally secure due to its limited range and encrypted signals, but always keep your Tesla vehicle's software current with the latest patches to address any potential vulnerabilities. Avoid sharing your NFC ring with unauthorized individuals, as it could allow them to access your vehicle. Treat it like any other key. Keep it personal and secure. For added protection, enable two-factor authentication on your Tesla account. This adds an extra verification step when accessing your vehicle remotely or making account changes. As with any key, be mindful of potential theft or loss. If your ring goes missing, immediately disable it through the Tesla app and consider having backup access methods ready. Following these security practices ensures your Tesla ring key remains a convenient yet protected method of vehicle access. If your ring isn't recognized, ensure it's properly positioned against the B-pillar reader. The NFC chip needs to make direct contact. Try restarting your Tesla's touchscreen or reinstalling the Tesla app. If issues persist, consult the ring manufacturer's documentation or contact Tesla support for assistance. Weak NFC signal strength in the ring itself can also be a culprit.